In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a percentage in Tableau. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just getting started with Tableau, understanding how to create calculated fields and format percentages is essential. This will allow you to analyze your data more effectively and present it in a clear, understandable way. First, we need to launch the Tableau app. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and open it on your computer. Once you've got the app running, you'll want to access the specific worksheet where you'd like to perform your calculations. This is usually where your data is stored and where you'll work on visualizing and analyzing it. Once your worksheet is open, navigate to the top menu and click on Analysis. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Create Calculated Field. This action prompts a new window to open where we can input our formula. Calculated fields are useful for performing mathematical operations on data within Tableau. Now let's move on to the next step. In the window that appears, give your calculated field a name. It's always a good idea to use descriptive names. For this example, let's call it profit margin. After naming your field, you'll want to enter your query or formula. This could be as simple or complex as your data needs dictate. Once you've entered your formula, click OK to save your calculated field. With our calculated field created, the next step is to drag it over to the rows shelf on your worksheet. Doing this will add the field to your analysis and enable you to view its data within the context of your other information. It's a drag and drop action, similar to organizing files on your computer. Now, it's time to format our profit margin. Go ahead and right-click the profit margin axis, which will bring up a menu. From this menu, click on Format to open the formatting options. Formatting is a key step as it ensures the numbers are displayed in the way you want. Within the formatting pane, look for the Axis tab. Here, locate the section labeled Numbers and select percentage from the options available. This converts your calculated field's data into a percentage format, making it easier to understand at a glance. Finally, adjust the decimal places to 1. By changing the number of decimal places, you control how precise the percentages appear. Having one decimal place often provides a balance between precision and readability. And there you have it. You've successfully calculated a percentage in Tableau and formatted it for clear visualization. With these steps, you can gain deeper insights from your data and present your findings more effectively. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.